Hi there. Let's balance this JAMB/WAEC chemical equation, please. All right. I have discussed about chemical equation, chemical reaction, and how to balance chemical equation in our last class. So do well to watch our last class before you dive into how to balance these equations here. All right. This is a JAMB and WAEC past question combined together to solidify our knowledge on how to balance a chemical equation. So watch our first class on how to balance the chemical equation and you understand how we go about this, please. This is number one there. Solution. Check on them all, please. Is this equation balanced? Of course. Whenever you see um something of this nature, this is oxygen and hydrogen being encased in a bracket, and I have a 2 as a subscript here. First, I will expand this bracket first. My first step is to expand this bracket. So I will have number one as being what? I'll have Ca, then oxygen times 2 is what? 2 oxygen, H2, next up, plus I have NH4 ammonia, Cl, to give CaCl2 plus H2O plus NH3 ammonium and ammonia. So NH4, NH3, ammonium and ammonia. All right. Let's balance this equation, please. We said to balance this equation, first, I try to expand this and I have this one here. Let's balance this equation. We said when it comes to balancing equation, subscripts are not used, just what the whole number coefficient. Let's balance this, please. Let's balance this chemical equation, please. How do you balance this? Let's start with calcium, please. This is calcium is 1 here. Calcium is 1 here. Balance, right? At this point, chlorine is 2 here. Chlorine here is just 1. So I have to put a 2 here. Plus, I have to put a 2 here. So this made calcium is 1. Calcium is 1. Chlorine is 2. This 2 times 1, chlorine now is 2. Balance. Oxygen is 2 here. Oxygen is just 1 here. I have to put a 2 here. So since now calcium is 1, balance. Oxygen is 2. This 1 here, 1 times 2 is oxygen now is 2, right? That chlorine is 2. This 2 times this chlorine, the times 1 will give 2 chlorine, balanced. Hydrogen is 2 here. Hydrogen here is 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogen here. Now, mind you, listen up. Here's the tax. Listen up, please. Observe, hydrogen is 2 here. With this 4, that's 6 hydrogen. So 4 with 2, that's 6 hydrogen. Check here, 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogen. Plus this 1 here, plus this 3 here. 4 plus 3, that's 7. And this one is 6 here. So how do you possibly balance this? The task line is that. Look at. Let's leave hydrogen for now. Look at nitrogen. N is 1 here. N is 2 here. So I put a 2 here to balance nitrogen. So nitrogen is 2. Nitrogen here is 2. Is balanced, right? Now hydrogen now here is 6. 2 times 3 is 6 hydrogen here. With this 4, that's 10 hydrogen. Balanced. Hydrogen is yes 10. Now 2 times 4 is 8. Plus this 2, that's 10 hydrogen. Balanced that way. So this equation is balanced now. Look up. Calcium now is 1. Calcium is 1. Balance. Oxygen is what? 2 here. Oxygen is what? 2 here. Balanced. Hydrogen is 2 with 4. Sorry. 2 times 4 is 8, Abby. 8 with 2. That's 10 hydrogen here. This is 4 hydrogen with 2 times 2 is 6. With this 4, 10 hydrogen. Balanced. Let's do nitrogen. This is 2 nitrogen here. Of course, 2 nitrogen here. Balanced. Chlorine is 1 here. Chlorine is 1 here. Sorry, is 2. 1 times 2 is 2 chlorine. 2 chlorine. This equation is now balanced. Let's balance number 2, please. Number 2, I have potassium, chlorine, and oxygen combine to give catalyst. This is a catalyst. So KCl plus O2. Listen up. Let's balance this, please. Potassium is 1, 1 balanced. Chlorine is 1, 1 balanced. But mind you, oxygen is 3 here. Oxygen is 2 here. So task now is that if I put 3, if I put 3 here, oxygen here becomes 6, Abby. So I'll come ahead here and put 2 here. This is, now listen up, this is 2 times 3 is 6 oxygen. 6 oxygen, oxygen is balanced. But mind you, it has distorted potassium and chlorine. Now go back again. Potassium is 2 now, 2 potassium, just 1 potassium. So I'll put a 2 here. So at this point now, potassium is 2, 2 balanced, right? Chlorine is now is 2. Here 2 is what? Is 2 chlorine balanced. Oxygen is what? 6 here, 6 here. It becomes a balanced equation. Let's do number 3, please. I have Na combined with H2O to give NaOH plus H2. Let's balance this chemical equation. To balance this man is quite an easy task. Sodium is 1 here. Sodium is 1 here. Is balanced. Hydrogen is 2 here. Hydrogen here is 1. Right? So to make this one balanced, I'll put a 2 here. Now, mind you, hydrogen now is 2 balanced. But mind you, it has distorted sodium. Sodium Na, sodium is 1 here, is now 2 here. So I have to put a 2 here. So becomes a 2 sodium balanced, 2 hydrogen here. 1 times 2 is 2 hydrogen now. Oxygen here is 1. Mind you, please. Oxygen here is 1. Oxygen here is now 2. 1 times this 2 oxygen. Right? 2 oxygen here. All right, listen up, please. Listen up, please. I'll come ahead here and put 2. Listen up. Plus, I'll put 2 here. Listen up. Why? Sodium is 2 balanced. Hydrogen now is 4. 1, 2. This is 4 hydrogen, right? This is 2 and times 1 is 2 hydrogen now. With this one here, that's 2 plus 2, that's 4 hydrogen balanced. Oxygen is now 2. 1 times 2 is 2 oxygen. 1 times 2 is 2 oxygen balanced. This equation is balanced. So it becomes a balanced equation. Let's do number 4. And you do 5, 6 for me as an assignment. Let's do number 4. You do 5, 6, 7 as assignment. I have HgCl2 combined with Kl to give HgI2 plus KCl. All right, let's balance this, please. We said Hg is 1 here, no problem. Chlorine is 2. Chlorine is just 1 here. So I put a 2 here to balance chlorine. Right? So if Hg is 1 balanced, chlorine is 2, 1 times this 2 is 2 chlorine now, no problem. K, potassium is 1 here, is now 2 in this case. Right? Yes, I, please, not L, I. So potassium is K, is 1 here, is 2 here. So to balance, I'll put 2 here. So I have a 2 potassium balance. Iodine is 2 here. Iodine is 2 here. So it becomes a balanced equation. So you do 5, 6, 7 and message me through my WhatsApp number. You can send the answer to me, so I'll check if you're correct or wrong. Or perhaps you can put your answer in the comment section below. I'll reply you as fast as I can. So let's start to solve problems under JAMB and WAEC past question for balancing chemical equation. So see you in the next class.